So how to change the time zone in Zoom meeting from 12 hours to 24 hours, or whether you want to change it for 24 hours to 12 hours. So first of all, you need to go to a link zoom.us, and you need to open this link, and after that you need to log into your Zoom web portal. So make sure to open in web, not in Android phone or iPhone or in your PC application. You need to just open a web, and you need to log into your account and just go to your account. After that, you will get these options. So you need to click on this first option, profile. Just tap on this first option, profile. So after opening profile, you just need to scroll down, and there is a option of time format. So you just need to click on edit here, and you can use 24 hours if you want. If you don't want to use 24 hours, only 12 hours, so just uncheck this and click on save. That's it. It is very easy, and make sure to do it on web. You can open it on your phone as well, web link, or you can open this web link in your PC as well. So make sure to open it on your web browser in your phone or your PC. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.